Hey y'all, welcome back to Pickles Barbecue. Today I'm going to be doing black-eyed peas. They're good at New Year's for good luck, but they're also good any time of the year. I'm going to do it in my Instant Pot, but you can use the same recipe on your stovetop. You just need to let them simmer for about an hour or so. So let's get started. Follow along. Hey y'all, the recipe's down below, but I got about a pound of dry black-eyed peas that I'm going to rinse and wash. I've got some smoked ham that I'm going to slice up. I've got a ham hock that I'm going to throw in, as well as vegetable broth, a couple of cloves of garlic, and about half that onion, and some jalapeno. Hey y'all, so what I did here, I basically set it on saute mode. So there is a saute mode on the Instant Pot. It works really well for sauteing up our onions, our garlic. And that's what we want to do. So I'm going to go ahead and throw those in right now. I'm also going to throw in, I only did half the onion and a couple cloves of garlic. And I'm going to go ahead and throw in the jalapeno as well. Quickly kind of saute a bit. Then we're going to add our garlic. So it's about 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Add our jalapeno right now. It's half a jalapeno, a decent sized jalapeno. And if you don't like jalapeno, if you don't like spice, go ahead and skip that step. You don't want to burn the garlic. And this is homemade vegetable stock. Eventually we want to add about 5 cups, 5.5 cups of stock or broth. Or you can even add water too. That works well. So I did chop up like this is about a cup of ham. I did go ahead and chop that down. And cut that up, and that's smoked ham. And then I'm gonna add our premium ham hock. So this is our smoked ham hock. I'm gonna go ahead and add that guy, and then add a lot more vegetable broth. So get a little bit of flavor in that. I'm still keeping it saute for now. So after we added all that stuff, it's time to add the black-eyed peas. Almost said beans. So we're going to go ahead and I've washed them, rinsed them, and picked through them for any stones or anything else. And mostly these days you won't find that. But I'm going to go ahead and add our pound of black-eyed peas. And then I'm going to add a little bit more broth and water so we can kind of keep it up to our 5.5 cups of total of water and broth. And then instead of cayenne, I'm going to go ahead and add some hot sauce this time. You can add cayenne. Use the hot sauce of your brand if you want to go ahead and add that too. But I add about 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. And I'm using Louisiana brand hot sauce, which I really like for this. And that's about it. We're going to go ahead and seal up the Instant Pot. And we'll be right back with you. So now is the time when we seal it up. And you hear that familiar sound. What we're going to do is a manual. Cancel the saute. Manual. 30 minutes on high pressure. And that's it. As soon as you hit this, you want to cut it off. So we'll put cancel. And then just wait for it to cool down. And that'll be the little button in the back going down. Hey, also what we're looking for right here. So I mentioned that button in the back. You see that little silver button? And we can force the steam to come out, but we don't want to do that. So I keep it sealed. Let that button come down, and it'll take about 25 minutes. after we hit that cancel button.
So, the button has dropped. Let's go ahead and pull it up. See what we got. It's pretty good. There's our ham hock. There's our beans. Look fantastic. So they look really good. Let me go ahead and pull this up, put it in a bowl, and meet you right back. Well, I'll put a little bit of hot sauce on the top, but it's looking real good. Now it's time for the taste test. Because I love hot sauce. Let's give it a try. Shall we? It's fantastically good. That ham, the hot sauce, that's really good. Anyhow, whether New Year's or any other day, I should give this a try. I highly recommend it. Till next time, pickles out.